All right. So all right, this one is still preloading. Saga, as I was telling you, no,
Hello?
all right, you can see our results down here, right? Let me just close them. It's fine. So you have to know one thing, that we are trained.
Screen ya satra kuda.
Okay, so we are recording, right? Okay, our system is still loading due to this network challenge. Needs a lot of network. All right. So I was saying that you have to know that we are trained trading. We are trained trading.
Yeah.
Don't go against the trade, but we follow the trade. So much of our time. This poor network. Taking much of our time. All right, no, we can use this one for now. So we are trading. So when you are trading, I want you to focus. One of the most vital or the most important indicator is this unit trend indicator. It's very, very important. Rakakosha is very important. When you are trading with this system, it is the very important indicator. So this one, it displays different colors, which tells you which trend you are in. You know, good I could trend yipi. Kuburikeza nema color I know display.
All right.
So when it displays these red lines, it means you are in a sell trend. So when yes, so when you're in a sell trend, you only look for sell opportunities.
All right.
Only look for sell opportunities. It does not mean that if you're in a sell trend, it is never going to buy. It may buy for long, but where now your opportunities on sale. Why do we do this? We do this so that we may filter false trades, so that we may filter market makers.
Okay.
So we make sure that whenever you take a trade, you are taking the right trade at the right time. So for instance, on this chart, you were supposed to take a sell, you'd have taken it right here, first sell, then this buy, we're not going to take it. We're going to take this second sell, and I think it was around here. And then our last sell, according to what we are seeing right now, was supposed to be here. So Marianne yanga iri kubva apa kusvika apa, this was money. It's a lot of money.
All right.
Kubva apa kusvika apa was your money. Kubva apa kusvika apa was your money. Iyi haisi yedu.
Okay.
Iyi izvi tozviitirei. I know kuti mapips anorwadza kuenda kwavo. But if you ever want to make money on the market, you don't take anything that comes your way. As long as not every opportunity is yours. So in this instance, and so let me refresh. All right. So chekutanga ndechekuti system yedu isusu ine mikana yakawanda inotipa. Chekutanga inoplota madiamonds per screen.
All right.
Red diamond is for sell, blue diamond is for buy.
Exactly.
Saka imi mukaona ngenyuri red, first pamenda pachat you have to look kuti trend renyu riri muchii. Kana riri musell seiri, this is V75. Inouraya vanhu vakawanda, isu nesu aimbotura, you see kuti our system inorova kwete zvokumbotamba. So first thing that we check for is this red, the trend. So kana trend renyu riri musell, then you go on the chart, you need a red diamond. Say apa, it's telling you that we are in a sell. We are in a sell. And then from there, you come on UTI. UTI is this one. This one we use it to check for level, trading levels and entries.
All right.
So when it's on 60 and above, it means that you are on a sell. When it's on 40 and above, it means that, and below, it means that you're supposed to buy.
All right. All right. All right.
On. So when you're on,
Yeah.
it means that you're supposed to buy. When you're on 60 and above, means that you're supposed to sell.
All
So
right. All right. All
after
right.
you see your red diamond, you come here for on the UTI. So once you have
Mm.
confirmed that everything is set, now you look for entry. Now the guide that we use to take an entry is called the sun indicator, which is this one.
All right.
Sun
Okay.
indicator. Now, how do we get our entries? Through crossovers.
All right.
What is a crossover? When they cross against each other, that is a crossover. You then enter a trade. Saga, here, if we are looking for a sale here, right? We wait for this crossover and then we take our trade here.
Okay.
What up in the trade range? Stop loss here, you
Right.
most of proper risk management. You saw somewhere you stop loss here, and then you go with it. There are many methods of
All right.
in exit point, have exit and a crossover foot.
All right.
Kuti kana yazoita crossover against chimwe mabuda.
All right. All right. All right.
You can do that. Kana munongomira kuti isvike paland recrossover, isati crossover, mogara mabuda. Kana kuti munomira isvike kulevel 40 kuti iseo ikasvika ku 40 mobva mabuda kuno.
Okay.
Because once I'm 40 I'm already inenge yamu buy zone.
All right.
Inenge yamu buy zone already. Inenge yamu buy zone already. Inenge yamu buy zone already. Right. Saka on this V75, since tichiri mu sell trade, we only look for sell opportunities. We only look for sell opportunities. So it's the same concept that is applied on every other trading pair. You can see on this boom, according to us, boom is selling. We don't have a buy yet on boom. Even though when you check UTI and Sun, you can see that they are already saying that we are about to buy, right? But then our trend is not yet in buy. But if you check on our trend, you can see that the bar now, the momentum of selling is now too small.
Exactly.
Because that is not too small. So it means that, but usually maybe this for tomorrow, we expect boom to be buying. So no matter what comes your way, if you are trading this way, which is the right way that you are doing, you don't take a buy.
Okay.
Rather, if it's still red, you can sell it. So you see, it's not only this one goes beyond catching spikes. Catching spikes, you can even trade against spikes.
Okay.
You see, this was a very good sell trade, right? So you can use that one. Then we come on crash 1000. You can see that spikes were here. This one is in sale. These were spikes. This one was not that much of a good market, but at least you get one or two. But it was not that much of a good market. And do you know why it was not a good market? It's because it never reached the level 60 here.
All right. All right.
So this is the reason why I say level 60, because I know that some of these trades which do not reach level 60, usually they don't deliver so much.
All right.
So you see it as around 51. So if you are ever going to take such trades, just know that you'll be taking them, but they are risky trades.
Okay.
But look at this one which reached this level 60 here. Look at how much it paid. Because this trade was probably taken around here. And it came down here. And you know, if there are spikes, this is a lot of money.
Exactly.
So level 60 is your friend. Even if we come here, I think I saw something right here. Even if we come right here, you can see it reached level 60. There was money. So sometimes you may not see the diamond here, but do you see that there is no blue diamond here? So it means that this red diamond is the one which is still working.
Okay.
Yes, that's what it means. It is the one which is still working. So this is crash 1000. You see, it's very simple. Now on boom 500, We reached the level 40 here. It almost touched, so I just say we are there. We are just waiting for crossover, and then we are going to buy this one. Boom, 500 on crossover, we buy it. So that's why I say practice risk management. Your stop loss, you can either put it here. This is a tap stop loss, or you put it here. So so you can either exit the trade through stop loss or through crossover. Like if it tells you to buy, you take a trade and then it says sell. You can exit the trade and wait for another crossover.
Okay.
And then we come on crash 500. This one is already oversold, so we don't touch this one because it's out of our bounds. It's already oversold, so we don't have an opportunity.
Okay.
V75, we wait for it to cross over, reach 60. When it turns back, we take it again. It's that simple. This one was already buy, step index bought already. We are late. We were supposed to take it on this is what 9 November, 12:30 a.m., which means this was around 2:30 a.m. We're supposed to take this today at 2:30 a.m. and we could be in that money. V100. So you see, it's just the same concept, but then there is something that you have to understand. Pairs, they behave differently. You will not have the same results on different pairs and time frames. We have pairs like 300. Look at how it moves. These are dumb moves. You see, the way it moves is not good. It does not move in a trend always. So what you can do, if you see that this pair does not follow your trend easily, you can just increase the time frame. If you see that even on H1, it does not pay very well, you can go to H4. If it does not perform very well, you can come to D1. Do you see how much it behaves now on D1?
Yes.
You can come there, but if you see that it does not perform to your standard, you can come back to M30 and just keep it there. But you just be knowing that this one is a rubbish pair. It does not deliver always. Maybe if you come to smaller time frames, but then smaller time frames, they are a bit dangerous. But at least you can see that on M5, it has clear opportunities that you can take. You can see that. You can see that on M5. So you just, you know what, Forex trading is all about learning. Don't stop learning. Don't stop learning. Keep on learning. Keep on pushing. If you lose a trade, don't be angry about the system. Go back and see, why did I lose this trade? How can I improve myself so that next time I will not lose? I'm telling you, this is how we have learned, and this is how we have managed to get to where we are. It is because of that mentality, which is the same mentality that you need, you as a trader. You see, this was a very good sale on M30, taken from here. It's still paying. So you see, this is how simple the system is. It's very simple to use. Very simple to use. Another sale here. This could have been your money all along. You see, this could have been your money. This could have been V51. Yes, it was buying, but now we are waiting for the sale. This one is already bought. V25, jump 100. It has entered in buy. But one thing I don't like about it is the fact that it did not reach level 40. So when you take such trades, just know that you are taking them in error. Anything can happen. Then we have jump 50. Remember, I told you about this one, that I took it too early. If the crossover is still intact like this, don't take it. The crossover that is open. And this one, the crossover was open. You see that it's in profit. It's selling very well. I think I sent this in the group. If you check the group, I sent this in the group. This one, I saw it. It's supposed to sell. We'll see about it. This one. I did not send it in the group. But you can see that it's in so much profit, right? Now we can lock the profit. You see, crossover, buy, boom. It's that simple. There is money here. Yeah. There is money here. 375. All right. So on this case, do you have any questions before I go to the other side of the strategy? Do you have any questions?
On this one, I don't have. It's clear.
All right. It's clear, right? Right. So now we are on this the 1 minute strategy, right? For boom and the crash spikes, right? So this one, it works almost the same way with the actual strategy, but this one it will use what you call the spiker indicator, which is this one. So this
Okay.
spiker indicator, it has a character that it has. Okay, I think I looked at it. I was back testing that one. So the spiker strategy, let me check here. The spiker strategy, this is how it works. These spikes, they come randomly, but we have a way that we can at least predict that they are about to come. So this is what happens. You see this one here. Let me try to zoom it out, right? Like this. And
Yeah.
right. So this is what happens. Inotanga yakavhurika so. Kana yakunosvika to a point of spike, inobatana kuita chinhu one zvayaita panapa. And then that's when you take your trade. Same with crash. So
All right.
that's when you take your trade. So monetary, so UTI on this one, you use UTI. You look at it, you see that is now above 70, usually around 90. It gets to that level around 90. What level was this one? Okay, it's 80, but usually around 90, that's when it will be ready to boom. But however, this one, it was quick to give you this rainbow color. So it's that simple. It's that simple. So what you can do you see what I did? Ndakavhura chart rine M30 boom, ndavhura rimwe rine M1. You can do it too. Mumaisa paside nepaside. So that you'll be able to track it. Usingachinje templates and whatnot. And it's boom 500. So it's the same with boom 500. It's the same with boom 1000. So this is what I was talking about now. This is what I was talking about. So you have another way that you can trade this without much hassles. Like for instance, remember we are saying that boom 500 is supposed to buy, right? Yes. And as you know, it does not mean that if you're supposed to buy, it's going to spike continuously. Sometimes it will be going up and down. So if you get your buy on boom 500 on M30, you can then come now on boom 500 on M1. Then you start to look for those spikes.
Okay.
Get it? So that way you'll be knowing you are scalping, but you are scalping in the trend, not against the trend.
All right.
And another thing that I want to tell you is if you are in the trend, this one, the reason why I give you my templates are on a fixed position is because it gives you a different result according to the zoom level. So if you zoom like this, you get a different trade calls, like this different trade calls. So maybe you can put it on this level. So you'll be knowing once it gives you rainbow on this level, then you can take your buy here. You take your buy, you move, it moves. Once it's on top like it is here, you exit, you wait for it to come down again, you take your buy, it will just be giving you the rainbows, you'll be taking the trades like here. So you could have taken a buy here, a buy here, a buy here. You see, you could have scalped it like this. So this is what I also wanted to show you. This is what I also wanted to show you. So you can either use them through this strategy, or you can just rely on this if you want to do the spikes. But then I would encourage you to use this side of the strategy because it is more mature. It gives you time to relax and it gives you quite a lot of money, unlike just doing it from here.
Yeah.
So any questions? Because we are done. You have been mentored. You are now an expert trader trading with the eun1 forex strategy. Any questions, please?
Okay, so we will be working on opportunities only.
Come again.
apa tichingoshanda nema-trends. Kana ichikwira toziva kuti ma-trends edu ari kuenda achikwira. Kana achidzika toziva kuti achidzika.
Right. So apa trend apa you work with the color, not the size of the bar. You mean pa boom kana roni pa actual strategy da?
No, pa actual ipapo.
Alright.
Like
it changes color. Let me look for when it has a different color. Okay, I want it somewhere where it's very specific. Let me see. This one it has a sale return all over it. Let me try it here. Right. Sepanapa. You see. So this 75, if you were trading for M15, you could have taken a buy there. Because it's green. Green is for buy. So you look at the color. If it's green, it means buy. If it's red, it means sell.
Okay.
So like in this case, it was green here, so you could have taken the buy here. It was there. Then you take money, you exit, and another buy was here, and then you could have gone a lot of money. But when you are waiting for a lot of money, this side you'll be waiting for a sale. So we don't trade this one. You see.
Okay.
But if you were trading on M15, you could trade it. On the same system, someone could be buying. On the same system, someone could be selling. It depends with your style of trading and the time frame that you're using. But me personally, I prefer M30. Why? Because it's more calm than you see. On problem with M15, why I don't like it is because you exit here, you take another here, you exit here, you take another here. You see where the problem is now?
Yeah.
You exit here. It does not give you time to grow with the trade. It confuses you because once it crosses over to sell, you start to look for a sell opportunity, waiting for sale, and then boom, you are buying again. Okay. But then now, if you come to this side, you could see it here, it could be telling us that no, we are waiting for a sale, and our sale will gladly come right here. So that's why I don't encourage the smaller time frames, because they give you so much confusion. But they have one advantage. If you are using a smaller time frame and you have small capital, because sometimes you may be having a right trade call, but then the problem will be that you'll be having small capital, and you may lose up blowing the account, not because you are not a good trader, but because you are just not having the right capital, you see. So
okay.
So these are our trades that we're taken. Remember, on jump 50, we said that we took this one too early. It was too early, but still still has a chance to go up. So you see what I told you, my stop loss is here. If I see it coming here, I will know that no, I took it too early. But still, you can see the results. They are fair. Range break is buying here. Jump 25 is selling, then it's coming back here, but we just keep on holding. Your stop loss should just be here. Just give it time. Then we have boom 300. Boom, and you see that is going down. So you can sell or buy boom. It's very much possible, and there is no problem as long as the system is advising you when, how, and why, and what to do. Yeah, say so. Any more questions? Just bring them on. Okay, so what I want to advise you is to take your time. That's why I installed the system on your demo account. Practice what you want to happen, what you want to see, and see how you can come up with something that suits you. Most the system it has so much potential that you can do a lot of things, even things that I don't even know. You can use it. It has so much potential. So enjoy it.
Yeah.
Then on another note, if you want to activate mobile notifications, this is where you put your go, you come here, tools, options, then you copy the number that is on your MT5, your meta ID, you put it there. Then you can just enable notification from the local terminal. And server is very important so that if anyone touches your account, you know that someone has entered my account. Then you say okay, and you're good to go. It will be sending notifications on your mobile. Then there are other notifications that will come on your screen again. It's unfortunate that none came because they don't just come always. It's unfortunate that we couldn't have any one notification which came whilst we were together, but hopefully they will come here and there. They notify you. There's a bar that comes here, so you can just take advantage, and then that's it.